Grammar. There is, there are.
Sentence structure. There is.
An.
Singular noun. There are. Plural nouns.
Example. There is milk in the glass. There's milk in the glass. There is an apple in the basket. There's an apple in the basket. There are apples in the basket. There are apples in the basket. There are sandwiches on the plate. There are sandwiches on the plate. There is not a book on the table. There isn't a book on the table. There are not any toilets in the park. There aren't any toilets in the park.
Question and short answer.
Sentence structure.
Is there?
An. Any.
Singular noun.
Yes, there is. No, there isn't.
Example.
Is there a cake on the plate? Yes, there is. Is there cheese in the bag? No, there isn't. Is there any milk in the fridge? No, there isn't.
Sentence structure.
Are there? Plural nouns.
Yes, there are. No, there aren't.
Example.
Are there cakes on the plate?
Yes, there are. Are there bananas in the bag? No, there aren't. Are there any pets in your family? No, there aren't.
How many? Question. How many? Plural nouns. Are there?
There are.
Example.
How many people are there in your family? There are 4 people in my family. How many pencils are there on the table? There are 2 pencils on the table.
There is. There's. There are. There are. There is not. There isn't. There are not. There aren't.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.